Alright, how's it going? Real Steel Star Productions. And ignore the morons back there. Today, as you see, we have an unboxing video. And God only knows what this box could bring us today. So, let's get into it. We have Ryan O'Connor's Subaru Impreza WRX STI from Furious 7, which is the last movie he actually made. This is also the one that come on, brain, work with me. This is also the one that he drove out of the airplane. So, give me just a minute and I will get this opened. Alright, here we are, back again, out of the package. And I gotta admit, there's some good detail that was put into this. Oh wow, look at that, you can even see through the scoop. The interior. Come on. But there you go. And as you guys know, it is Christmas, or was Christmas whenever you guys are seeing this. And my fiance actually got me this one, so thanks to her, there's now more ruckus on the shelf, which means I am gonna have to situate that and figure out spacing and room and everything else. So, and there you have it. Later.